Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to very important session for your Airport Authority of India recruitment 2020. So especially for ATC students or aspirant, this video is for you that how you should crack the ATC exam if you are preparing for first time or if you are preparing for if with job, right? So all the things related to competition level, books and everything, the detailed strategy video we will discuss in this video now. So till now, basically there are lots of videos I give you in the playlist. Okay, if you didn't check the playlist, then you can check the subject wise individual video was there. All the detailed strategy we discuss. Okay, now in this video we will discuss the overall strategy for this ATC exam, and the focus will be only is merit list, right? As always. So let's start our video. So first, it is very important to understand what is the competition and what are the seats available for you. Okay, to get the exact idea that how much hard work you should put in. So basically, as you know, for ATC there are 264 posts. Okay, out of which for open 107, OBC 72, EWS 26, SC 40 and ST 19 posts are there. Okay, directly exam is there, so obviously there is no interview. Okay, so in the merit list, obviously you should be in top 264 candidate, right, marks wise, to ensure 100% selection. Okay, if you are in top 500, then your selection rate is 70%, and obviously it will decrease like that. So your main target is to get into this top 64 vacancies, right? Obviously vacancies are much, I don't say much higher, but yes, it is higher as compared to this, but competition level is also higher. Okay, so till now approximately you can say 40k to 50k students applied for ATC. Okay, that is 40,000 to 50,000 students, and out of those 1,000 students, just you have to get into this 264 vacancies, right? So yes, it is challenging. So that's why this picture is very important for you to understand that how much you have to work hard, and obviously smart work is also there. Okay, because everyone will prepare all these things, but yes, those who prepare smart way, okay, those who give priority to the important things or the main things or the things on which you should give priority, those obviously will get success, right? So now I just divided your syllabus of ATC into two groups, two major groups. Okay, first group is your physics, mathematics and English, which carries your 80 marks, right? Which carries your 80 marks, and like this only you can prepare by considering this also. So this portion is very much, you should have very strong grip on this portion. Okay, so one by one we will see now what are the books and what are the things you should use for this group. Okay, so first we will start with physics. So for physics, as I told earlier also, you have to refer class 11 and class 12 NCRT to get the basics idea. Okay, just understand now the sequence I will tell you. So to get the basics idea, okay, you can read class 11 and class 12 NCRT. This is the first step, okay, to get excellence in the physics. The second step is your this book, very important book for you, Fundamentals of Physics by Halliday, Resnick and Walker. Okay, all the concepts which are important for you. Okay, as your basics are clear now you will move to the second step, that is your conceptual stage, concept development stage. Okay, where you will read this book and you will get all the ideas related to the I can say practical application like that. Okay, because yes, in nowadays, see, this is not 2015 paper or 2017 paper or 2018 paper. Okay, this is 2021 paper. Competition is high, level is also high, obviously it has to be. Okay, so don't just, I know that lots of guys now refer previous year question and they are preparing like that only. Okay, this is the biggest mistake you are doing, that because pattern will change. Obviously, they have to changes. Otherwise, it is not impossible for them to filter out those many candidates, right? So that's why it is important. So the third book I will say, Problems in General Physics for by I. Irodo. Okay, so for practice you will use this book. Okay, so first you develop your basics, then your conceptual development, then your practice. Okay, practice problem solving skill. Then you have to refer JEE last 10 year previous year papers, you can use. Okay, so that you have to use compulsory. And then our test series will be there. Okay, the announcement I will make shortly. I will just put the video, or in our Telegram group also I will announce. Okay, that thing. So if you are not in Telegram group, then just join the Telegram group in the description link. And then our series that is started for you guys on our YouTube channel only, that is previous year questions plus expected questions. Okay, So till now only English question, English subject is there. So slowly mathematics, physics, all the subject will be there, and quant, reasoning, and all the group B which I am handling. You know that where to watch that videos, right? So this is the overall picture for your physics syllabus. Now we will move to the mathematics basically. So mathematics, for mathematics also you have to refer class 11th and class 12 NCERT to get the basics. Okay, then at the ATC level or ATC exam level, you can use Objective Mathematics by RD Sharma. One book is enough for this mathematics part. Okay, there is no need to do much more thing in that. Then JEE last 10 year paper, obviously you will use this. Then our test series again, and previous year and expected question series, which is on our application also and our YouTube channel also. Okay, for mathematics. So this is the second subject, mathematics, and the third and important subject is your English. So for English, just one book is there, which is enough for you. That is N.K. Agrawal. Okay, use this book. You can get the basics of your grammar very much clear. Okay, previous year question, expected question videos, I know already you guys see, and you loved it. Okay, that Mahira ma'am is she exceptionally handled those things. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just refer this. Then our quiz box is there. Okay, now what is this quiz box? You will get to know in the test series section when I announce the test series. Okay, already I start working on it. So this is the combination on, this is the main part in your selection for ATC exam. Okay, so just stay little patience for this, because this is the important thing. I will attach to your test series, and test series and quiz box, this is the deadly combo I am saying you. Okay, so and our daily cards, the daily cards which I am sharing in our Telegram, in our WhatsApp group daily. Okay, I hope already in English strategy video that I made earlier separately, I told everything, so I will not explain this now. Okay, how to use that card, you can refer in the playlist, master playlist for AI. So this is about English. Then our group B syllabus. Okay, so after getting grip on this 80 marks, now you are 40 marks. Okay, next 40 marks, and this 40 marks basically I am handling in your mentorship program, as you know. So let's discuss about this. So see, for content reasoning base, to get your clear idea of basics, you will use RS Agarwal book. Okay, very good book, and all the concepts you will get from there. Okay, and the concept which are not there in RS Agarwal, obviously you will get it from masterclass, right? And this masterclass is on our second channel, that is Nikum Sir Concept Corner channel. Description, in the description you will get the link for all the things, Telegram, application, our website. Okay, and then our second channel. So do not miss this masterclass, because the latest pattern we are dealing quant, reasoning, and GK questions, right? Then again quiz box is there for quant, reasoning, and GK, and this is the very important thing for you. Okay, I am again saying. Then our test series will be there enough. Then from website, last 12-month current affair. No need to do anything. Okay, don't waste your time. Just give daily 20 to 30 minutes to read all the last 12 current affairs. Okay, and from the website you can get the current daily current affair and last 12 months current affair. Then daily cards are there, from which the last 12 current affair and GK combination I am giving you on our Telegram channel. Okay, so all those platforms are very important for you. So each and every platform, as you can see, okay, every activity that will make you successful in your ATC exam, or I can say that will make your chances great to get success in your ATC exam. Okay, that will be the perfect word. Yes, we are doing that on our platforms, so that's why it is very important. If you are seriously preparing for ATC exam, then you should join all the platforms. Okay, so daily cards also, in the last those questions which are very important from last 12 months, I just snatch them and I will put it here. Okay, so this is the 40 marks which is very important again for your selection. And as in every video I told you that each section is very important for you. Okay, each and every section, whether it is quant, GK, whether it is reasoning, whether it is mathematics, physics, all those sections are very important. And to get into the merit list, that is top 264 candidates, all the section knowledge you should have. Okay, and obviously lots of things are there. So that's why those who are preparing with job, or those who are just started the preparation journey, okay, all the things, it is very difficult to just cover in the 3 months. So that's why mentorship program is already started for you guys. Okay, you can check on the application, in the description you will get the application link. So if you are serious and if you want to target just ATC, then this program is for you. You can check the demo videos, overview videos, all the things are there. Okay, there is no issue in that. And yes, Our test series will be also soon available because I started the work. All the best questions for physics mathematics I am giving you, so don't worry about that. Okay, so if you use this book or otherwise directly you can join the mentorship program, because all those books are compilation. Okay, or we are just combine all the things and I am giving here in the best simplified manner. Okay, so you don't need to invest much time in that, because time is very important, guys. Right, time is very important, because in the 2.5 months, suppose we have 85 days support, so in that you have to score very much good marks. Okay, so first concept development is there, then your practice question is there, then your calculation accuracy, all lots of things are there. Okay, so that's why I am individually guiding you for all those four factors which are very important for any competitive exam, especially for Airport Authority of India recruitment 2020. And for you guys, the interaction session is coming soon on our channel, so just ask any question on our email ID. Okay, don't miss this session, a very important session for you. And every doubt, that is your salary, your posting, your lifestyle of ATC officer, so biggest motivation session is coming. And for those who are preparing with job basically, so Mr. Jain are is was in LNT, and in while preparing he was working, and with work he prepared and he got selection. So biggest motivation is that. Okay, so very good interaction session will be there soon on the channel, so be with channel, compulsory like the session, and compulsory join our Telegram group and all those things which are in the description. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, subscribe. And interaction session, test series announcement, mentorship program, all the things detailed on our website are there. Just follow the strategy, and surely if you do this with dedication, then surely you will be in the top 264 candidates, okay, in the merit list. So yes, all the best, and like this only I will motivate you for throughout the journey of your ATC. Okay, all the best.